In the next few minutes, you will unlock the secret to keeping your pothos lush, green, and thriving. No more accidental plant murders. Like a jade plant, golden pothos requires minimal watering and can easily thrive in low light conditions for several weeks, and are more vivid if the plant is grown in nice, bright, indirect light. Overwatering your golden pothos highly contributes to its leaves turning yellow, but there are other reasons too. Let's find out and fix them. Mistake number 1. Too much direct sunlight. Golden pothos is a tropical understory plant, meaning it naturally grows under taller trees where it receives filtered indirect light. Direct sun scorches its leaves, breaking down chlorophyll, that's the green pigment in leaves, and leading to chlorosis or yellowing. If the yellowing is due to sun exposure, you'll notice the burn kind of effect on the leaves along with drooping. Move your plant to a bright spot with indirect light near a north or east facing window is perfect. Mistake number 2. Overwatering. The most common killer of indoor plants. When roots stay wet for too long, they cannot breathe. This leads to root rot, a fungal disease that starves your plant of oxygen and nutrients, resulting in yellow, mushy leaves. Plant roots need oxygen. Overwatering blocks oxygen uptake and promotes pathogens. You'll notice a dull yellow kind of color with soft leaves, and sometimes you'll see the bottom near roots turning mushy. And if it's lacking water, yellow tint will look bright and brown edges with crispy texture. Always let the top 25% of soil dry out before watering again. Use your finger as a moisture meter. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Also, make sure your pot has drainage holes and use well-draining soil. Mistake number 3. Poor drainage or heavy soil. If water isn't draining well, even perfect watering habits can backfire. Roots will still sit in stagnant water. It's like your tummy is full of water and someone making you drink more and more. That sounds suffocating, right? So before watering, always make sure the soil is draining well. If you see the soil is hard, repelling water, or after watering the water stays for too long on the surface, that indicates soil is holding moisture for long, and in that case, overwatering can definitely cause damage. You need to fix your soil mix. Use a soil mix that contains perlite, coco coir, or peat moss to ensure both moisture retention and aeration. And always use a pot with proper drainage holes. Mistake number 4. Overfeeding with fertilizer. While pothos does benefit from occasional feeding, too much can cause a salt buildup in the soil, which damages roots and prevents nutrients absorption. This leads to yellow leaves. Nitrogen overdose can burn root hairs, reducing water uptake. Even if you don't fertilize and your plant is having great amount of sunlight and accurate watering, it will thrive. And if you're feeding it, feed your plant only once a month during the growing season using a balanced diluted liquid fertilizer. Never fertilize during winter. Mistake number 5. Exposure to drafts or sudden temperature changes. Once I placed my pothos and Swiss cheese in a doorway in winter, leaves of both the plant turned black and yellow. I trimmed the damaged leaves and moved them to another area. They stopped producing yellow and black leaves. Golden pothos prefers temperatures between 65 to 85 degrees of Fahrenheit. Drafts from windows, AC units, or heaters can cause rapid temperature shifts, shocking the plant and resulting in yellowing, especially in variegated types. Keep your pothos in a stable environment, away from vents, open windows, and heaters. Bonus tips. One more thing, yellow leaves don't turn green again. Once a leaf turns yellow, it's best to trim it off so the plant redirects energy to healthy growth. Always use clean scissors to prevent infection. You can snip a stem and put it in water. It will grow roots very quick, and then you can transfer them to soil. Another important tip, if you want bigger leaves, you need to give them support to climb upon and a ton of light, and leaves will become bigger than your expectations. Hope you liked the information. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplant care videos.